Hello guys, welcome to C Learning with new video. In this video we will learn about how to take the web access GUI access of eNSP devices like firewall and WLAN controller in eNSP, and we will take the web access of these devices. So first of all, you have to create the loopback adapter. If you are new, if you do not have a loopback adapter, so you have to create the loopback adapter. So first of all, go in device manager, and then you go in action. First of all, select this and go action, add legacy hardware, and then do next, and select this option, install hardware, that I manually selected, and just select next, and here you will select the adapters, network adapters. So find and add the network adapter here, select. Oh, here it is, network adapter, and then next. And after some times, here you will find, select the Microsoft, because we are using Microsoft Windows, and here you will select the Microsoft KM loopback test loopback adapter, and then next, and here you will do next, and then finish. After some time, if you finish, so after restart your PC, you will find, so I have to finish, so, and then okay, and after restart your PC, you will find the, go in network settings, network and internet setting. So you will find an adapter here, go in change adapter settings. So you will find a KM loopback adapter here, Microsoft KM. So I have already created my this some other KM loopback adapter. So you will find your KM loopback adapter, just go in that adapter and change the IP address. So just select, go in IP protocol, and give any IP address. So I have using 172.161.10 is my IP, and 172.161.1 will be your gateway IP. Gateway means the IP you will give to firewall or the WLAN controller. So I will use this IP scheme. So 1.10 would be my IP, and 1.1 would be uh, firewall IP. So just give IP address here, and also name that adapter. So I have already named as eNSP lab 1, so I will use this adapter. So your adapter will show in eNSP cloud. Just go here in eNSP, and after that just select a firewall, or start this firewall, and also once select the cloud. In cloud you will find that loopback adapter with IP change. So just select this Ethernet here, Giga and UDP port add, and also Giga plus that adapter you have selected. So I have selected eNSP lab 1 with IP 192.168.1.10. So I will use this adapter, and just select, and then select here G port 1 to 2 and two-way channel, add that. So here you will find the port in cloud. So previously you will not find any port in cloud, but after setting this UDP port, you will find a port here. So just select here you will find the port, and just select with G000. After some time, so your firewall will be start. So now you can ping your PC. Ping 172.168.1.10 is my uh, loopback adapter IP with eNSP lab 1. So here I can ping. So if I ping my gateway, so it will not be reachable till I will give the 1.1 IP address on this interface of firewall. So after giving this IP on firewall, so my IP would be reachable. So our firewall has been started. So here I have password admin, and password is admin at the rate 123. So I will give this password in description. So username is admin, and the password is admin at the rate 123. After setting up, I will change my password as admin at the rate 123 with small a. So here I will change my password. I will type old password with capital A, admin at the rate. Now I will select small a. So just go here in IP. Now go here in this interface. So this interface already a management interface. G0/0/0. If you display this, so here you will find some IP address. So just undo this IP binding VPN instance, undo, select this, copy this, and undo all this, paste and removed, and display this, undo alias, and now your interface is ready to give the IP. Now select your IP 172.168.1.1, which is the IP we select in loopback adapter with 24. So if you ping now, ping 172.168.1.1 is my interface IP, and 1.10 would be my IP, PC IP, so it will be reachable from here. So one more thing, here you will also allow, display this, here you will allow the ping. By default in firewall interfaces ping is disabled, so you have to select the ping enable. So service manage, if you question mark, so here you have to select the HTTP as well. After this enable HTTP, you will able to get the web interface, web management through this interface. So you have to select the HTTP, HTTPS, and also ping, and also you have to select one by one SSH and telnet. So just select this option, all permit. So all would be permit. So if you ping, so now it would be reachable from firewall to here. So if we ping 1.1, it would be reachable after some time. Display this, our IP is 192.172.161.1, and undo shut. So here we have 1.10 is IP. From here we will ping our firewall. So now you can see here 192.168.1.1 is the firewall interface is reachable, our gateway is reachable. So you will able to take the ping from SSH from here. If you select 172.168.1.1, so you will able to take the SSH as well. I think we didn't enable the user interface VTY. So if you enable user interface VTY, you will able to take the SSH as well. So now we will be able to take the GUI HTTP 172.168.1.1. So if you select, so just select HTTP, not HTTPS. Here you will able to take the access of a firewall. Now you can see here firewall USG 6000V1 eNSP. So here you will select the password. Oh, admin, and our password is admin@123. So here you are able to take the web access. Here you will set up the eNSP lab. So how, this is how you can take the GUI access of eNSP devices. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like the video. So in the same way you can take the uh, web access of wireless controller and other devices in eNSP. So thank you very much.